Hey yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Quartet back with another video, and today guys, in this video I'm gonna review the Galaxy A52 5G. So anyways guys, before we start this video, shout out to my boy Leon Simpson for purchasing the funny pack. Thanks for supporting the merch movement, my bro. So anyways guys, you guys can get 10% off on any item that you purchase in my merch store. The promo code will be on the screen and in the description below, so make sure y'all go over there and check it out. So anyways guys, before we go into this video, can you hit some likes on this video? Just hit it, just do it, just smash it.
Smash.
So anyways guys, let's get into this video. The Samsung Galaxy A52 5G brings a variety of top-end features you'd normally expected to be included on a flagship phone, to its cheaper variety including 5G connectivity and an improved screen technology. The Samsung Galaxy A52 5G is the company's latest entry in the cheaper phones on the market, and the company has made steps to make this handset the best yet for affordable prices. The Galaxy A52 5G won't be able to compete with the absolute best phones, but Samsung is making a conscious effort to bring features such as high-end refresh rate screens and improved rear cameras to its cheaper A series. I've been using the A52 5G, and here's my thoughts on the latest cheaper phones from Samsung. Note that this phone differs from the Galaxy A52 and the Galaxy A72. The Samsung Galaxy A52 and 5G is now on sale, and we know the handset is cost $399 in Euro, around 550 in US, and in Australia 720. We know the phone is coming out in the US, and we haven't yet get confirmation on whether the phone will be on sale in Australia. The standard Galaxy A52 won't be on sale in the UK, and the handset differ quite a bit from that phone. This obviously features 5G connectivity, which the A52 doesn't, and it also has better screen technology too. The Galaxy A52 5G is designed to have a solid build without the bells and whistles you'll find on a flagship smartphones. For some reason, you may feel the rear of handset is touch cheaper with plastic rear and aluminum frame. It doesn't feel as premium as Samsung top-end phones, but it feels durable enough in the hand that I didn't dislike the smartphone build. This isn't a small device either, with a 6.5-inch display screen. This display has full HD resolution, and I found the 800 nits of brightness look fantastic when I turned all the way up to maximum settings. If you're looking for a smartphone to watch videos on, you're likely to be disappointed in the display. There's a punch hole at the center of the top edge, and the bezel around the screen are thicker than some may like. That said, it still looks great when you're watching a video. One of the big upgrades from the previous Galaxy A phones is the introduction of the 120 HD display, which is feature usually reserved for flagship phones. This essentially means the image on your screen refresh faster than on most other phones, which gives a smooth experience when scrolling through social media or playing mobile games. This is a notable difference, and once you've used this, you'll likely be different to go back. That said, this isn't a specific reason to optimize this phone. There's also an in-screen fingerprint scanner, which I found to work in limited use. The phone comes in 4 colors, and two of them are particularly bold and bright. Your options are black and white, blue or violet. The handset is also IP67 dust and water resistance. Little else is exciting about the design of the Galaxy A52 and 5G, but some will be ecstatic to see Samsung has kept the 3.5mm headphone jack on this smartphone, which you'll find on the bottom edge of the device. I have yet to properly experiment with the camera, but the specs on paper seems impressive with 64MP main sensor with optical image stabilization and aperture f1.8. That's only one of four elements of the rear shooter too. There's also a 12.MP ultra-wide sensor, a 5MP depth scanner, and a 5MP micro camera as well. On the front is a 32MP selfie camera inside a punch hole in the top center of the screen. There isn't a telephoto shooter here, but the Galaxy A72 does have a feature if you think you'd make the most of improved optical zoom. I can confirm it comes with a 4.5 AMH cell. On paper, that's large cell, and Samsung claims this will give you 2 days battery life. And yo, that is amazing. If you're using the phone quite consistently, I'd expect it to offer a full day of usage. There's no wireless charging on the Galaxy A52 5G. You'll be using a wired charger for this. Unlike the Galaxy S21 line, there is a charger in the box with the Galaxy A52 5G. You'll have the choice of a 6GB or 8GB of RAM depending on how much you're willing to spend for storage. You'll have 112GB or 256GB on the phone, and there is a micro SD card support up to 1TB. Here's a notable difference to Samsung flagship phones that recently dropped the micro SD support. The Samsung Galaxy A52 5G brings a variety of features you expect on a flagship smartphone, down to its cheaper line of device. This isn't as cheap as you'll find most affordable 5G handset, but the specs are impressive considering the price you'll be paying. If you're after a Samsung phone that doesn't cost as much as its flagship range, but you're also desperate for a feature like the 5G connectivity and an in-screen fingerprint scanner, this might be one of the handset you would like. So anyways guys, that is the end of our video for today. If you like this video, please smash that like button down below, and please comment on whether would you buy this phone, yes or not. So anyways guys, please remember to use the promo code DASH to get 10% off on any item that you purchase in my merch store. The promo code will be on the screen and in the description below, and my merch link to my merch store will also be in the description. So please guys, go over there and check it out. These merch are very cheap guys, they're on the like $50 plus you get promo codes, so I guess it's more cheaper. So just go over there, click the link, and just support the channel. So anyways guys, it's me, your boy Corey Tech. Peace out.